In this exciting experiment, a young scientist decides to create magnetic slime using simple materials. They mix together equal parts of white glue and water until smooth, then add a tablespoon of iron filings. As they stir in a bit of liquid starch, the mixture transforms, becoming a gooey, stretchy slime. The moment they bring a magnet near, the slime's behavior changes. It moves and stretches towards the magnet like magic. This captivating interaction demonstrates both the principles of magnetism and the joy of hands-on learning, proving science can be incredibly fun and engaging at home.